Terms and conditions. Legal notice. The publisher has strived to be as accurate and complete as possible in the creation of the report. Notwithstanding the fact that that does not warrant it or represent at any time that your content within are accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the internet. While all attempts have been made to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumed no responsibility for errors, omissions, or contrary interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slight of the specific person, people, or organizations or unintentionally. In practical advice book, like anything else in life, there are no guarantees of income and reader are cautioned to rely on their own judgment about their individual circumstance to act accordingly. This book is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, accounting, or financial advice. Our leader are advised to seek service of com- competent professional is legal, business, accounting, and finance field. You are encouraging to print this book for easy reading. Table of content. Forward. Chapter 1. Business planning basis. Chapter 2. Market evaluation. Chapter 3. Analyze competition. Chapter 4. Determine a marketing strategy. Chapter 5. Decide with extra you may need like staff, etc. Chapter 6. The dangers in not making a business plan. Birthing off. Forward. A business plan is an essential document for any accompanying a new business already in business and critical for any seeking funding for venture capitalist. The business plan need to be comprehensive, well through and should contain should business reason. You can get all the info you need here. Superior business planning. How to develop a successful business plan. Chapter 1. Business planning basis. Synopsis. The business plan should prove that a business will generate enough revenue to cover expense and make satisfactory return for banker or investor. There are a number of ways of formulating a business plan, but there are certain essentially sections that they should all contain. The basis. There should be an executive summary of less than 2 pages at the start of the business plan which sells the plan and highlights its features. A company summary should be including containing a factual description of the company, its owner and history. There need to be a section referring to product and service. There are point of difference in the market. It is essential to include a market analysis providing a summary of typical customer listening competitor referring to the market size and the expected growth. It is important to have a section of strategy and implementations describing how the product will be sold and how the plan will be sold and how the plan will be put into action together with its milestone. There need to be financial plan indicating sales, cash flow and profit. The background of the management team together with the experience and key accomplishments should be contained in a management summary. Individual could choose to hire a professional to write a business plan for them, or they could attempt to write their own making use of the excellent business planning software or books that are available. Once funding has been raised and a business is operating, the business plan serves as a roadmap for the business. It is not a static document. It need to be referred to in order to ensure that the business remains forced on track and is meeting milestone. Chapter 2, Market Evaluation. Synopsis. A market evaluation is usually analysis of the company success. It is a big undertaking but is invaluable. To conduct the analysis, consideration need to be given to range of area including sales figure, marketing goals, advertising content and the media mix being utilized. Evaluate it. All sales figures need to be compared and analyzed referring to a specific time frame or before and after event. The figure have to be analyzed and it need to be determined whether in the field met or exceeded expectations. An increase in sales should be analyzed to certain if they are from old or new customer or a combination of both. Consideration need to be given to the reason of increased revenue not associated with the advertising such as strong economy. Any evaluation need to be done of the marketing goals. Firstly, the original marketing goals need to be examined and it has to be ascertained whether business talking that market. Throw has to be given to decide if that is the most profitable market for the company. An analysis has to be made so the increase or otherwise in the market share and by how much. In check of advertising should be undertaking to work out of the advertising was communicating to publish and to ensure that the advertising fulfilled their purpose. It is necessary to find out of the target market understood and respond to the message of the advertisements by evaluating the media mix used and its efficiency and checking of the creation process. It can be ascertained how to cost effective such program was, which section of media provided the most effective in attracting more market share. Following the market evaluation is it would be necessary for a section to be added in including idea for future improvement. Chapter 3, Analyze Competition. Synopsis. Any analysis of the competition can be the most difficult section to work on when undertaking the writing of a business plan. Before analyzing the competition, they have to be investigated, and before that can be done, they have to be found. Figure it out. The first step is of the competitive analysis is to determine who the local competition is. This can be done quite simple by driving around the observing and by searching through a telephone directory. The main question will be one of range and determining just how the customer are prepared to travel to obtain your competitor good and service. As well as local competitors, some business also have non-local competitors such as in the form of mail order companies for example. To analyze the competitions, it is necessary to determine what market or market segments they survey and what benefit they offer. It is necessary to determine why customer buy from term and also to gather information about their product and or service, their pricing and promotion. Gathering information could be done by physically visiting a business or checking their website. Several physical visits to a business will enable a person to determine information about their product and the company's treatment of customers. Good source of information about a company come from the company, vendor, supplier and employers. Attending the trade fair where the competitor are exhibiting The another excellent way for gathering information. Once the information has been gathered, it need to be analyzed. By analyzing what a competitor done offer it the possible to determine a niche market that can be targeted by offering something that the competitor does not. The goal of the analysis is to identify the expand your competitive advantage of focusing on the benefit your business can offer that the competitor can't or won't offer. Chapter 4, Determining a Marketing Strategy. Synopsis. Marketing strategy is a process that can allow an organization to concentrate its reasons of the great opportunity to increase sales and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. Look closely. Marketing strategy are the vital basic of marketing plan designed to fill market need a reach market objective. Plan and objective are tested for measurable result. Usually marketing strategies are developed to multi-year plan with a statistical plan detailing specific action to the accomplish it to in the current years. Time frame vary for organization to organization, but increasingly they are becoming short as the speed of change in the marketplace increasing. Market strategy are dynamic and interactive. Marketing strategy involves careful checking of internal and external factor. Internal factor including the marketing mix and the performance analysis. External factor including customer analysis, target market analysis, and keeping abreast of any changes in the company politic and technology. One of the key factor of marketing strategy is to keep marketing in line with the mission statement. Once this can have been completed, a strategy plan can be constructed to the determined goal to the marketing mix to achieve this. Vital thing that consider when formatting the marketing strategy or listening overall goal and objective. When they are listed, they need to be accomplished by the time frame, specific quantities and percentage of what is to be achieved. The primary target market have to be determined as specifically as possible. Current resources that are available to the company should be noted. Current resources or contract already utilized and known to the company such as or organization and committees. The method to be used to break into each target market have to be considered and may range from files, email and press relations to name but a few. Once all the groundwork has been done, the marketing can commence and result to the sales analysis to determine the success of the strategy to note whether or not the strategy is to be altered in the way. Chapter 5. Decide what extra you may need like staff etc. Synopsis. Once a marketing strategy has been formatted in, it need to be analyzed careful to see what additional research and personnel need to be secured to ensure that the marketing can come on successful. What is needed? The service of advertising agency personnel and web design may be needed initially to design to a promotional package. If the campaign is sizable, it may be necessary for sales representative and promote to be employed as it is may be necessary to selling into be done to consumer. The employment of this additional staff may require additional transport and office space. The extra staff may need the support of additional administrative staff. Certain marketing strategies may need the temporary use to additional selling space such as an outpost within a mail or is setting of promotional merchandise display stand with a shop or at trade fair. The additional space will need it to be sort of retained, set up and maintained. It may be necessary to have to employ short-term contract sales staff to maintain such establishment. With the additional of extra sales flow, or it may mean that it is necessary to have additional braking facilities such as the laptops terminal along with additional tiles such I think will need it to be purchased or hired. A marketing strategy that bring about increasing sales will require extra merchandise to service that campaign and the storage of such need to be considered. Additional warehousing may have to be sourced, purchased or rented in order to store the product. With increasing store volume come the issue of logistic and more distributor may be necessary. If so, additional vehicle and transport could also become a necessary consideration and expenditure. Careful planning and forethought given to all the hidden extra will ensure the success of the strategic marketing. Chapter 6: The danger in not making a business plan. Synopsis: Failure of any operator to put the time, research, thought, and energy into formatting a business plan is almost guaranteeing that the operator's business will fail. The perils. The business plan is crucial to operating successful. Without a business plan, any operating is akin to a ship in the ocean without a rudder. Business must have a business plan which plan for success. The planning need to be include market search and the identity of the primary consumer. Business must develop a 5 or 10-year plan that including cash flow, finance and expansion. Statistics and stacked against new business succeeding research indicate that in the United States, business with fewer than 20 employees have only a 37% chance of surviving for years, only 9% chance of surviving 10. Restaurant fare even more badly and have only 20% chance of surviving 2 years. Of this field business, only 10% closed involuntarily due to bankrupt and the remaining 90% closed because the business was not successful, did not provide it to level of income desired of was too much work their efforts. The old adage, people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan, cannot be more true when it comes to business. All business should have a clear plan for success which involve action if things should go wrong. While it is understood that no magic solution guarantees a business will succeed, there are three factors which are linked with success. A business plan has to be formatted, financial information need to be know about the business and there must be an accurate profile of the target market of the business. Warping up. With the with the astronomical high failure rate of new business, it is obvious that to succeed the new business need all the help that they can get. Proper planning is vital. Once formulated, the plan should be taken to independent accountants for team to assess.